Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up we have Week 1, Create Your Outdoor Self by Guarded Giraffe. Looking at Giraffe's code, we can see some switch to costume blocks, forever blocks, and weight blocks. Summer Code Jam 2021 kicks off with this user creating their outdoor self camping by the mountains. Next we have another Week 1, Create Your Outdoor Self by Kindly Gate. In their code we see forever blocks, next costume blocks, and weight blocks as well. This user created awesome animation showing themselves with a cool butterfly. Next we have Poker 1 by Harsh Chameleon. In their code we see point and direction blocks, set rotation style blocks, glide blocks, and a lot of set blocks. Test your poker face and earn your winnings. Lastly, we have Paint Program by GL Animation. In this awesome text coding project, GL Animation creates a virtual canvas for you to express yourself. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time!